Hey guys, you're probably checking out this video because you're searching for homes in Orlando, Florida. We're in Winter Garden, minutes from Disney. Checking out this 5-bedroom, 5-bath home. My name is Jeremy Hines with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Stick around to the end of the video and we'll give you details about the house. Come on in. Okay guys, so come on in. We're checking out the kitchen right now as you come into the house. You come this way, you can see this huge island that we have. We can entertain plenty of guests in here and throw a huge party. You have connecting to the outside space right here and family room. Okay guys, so we're coming up on the second floor here, and as you can see, you can have a little office nook right here at the top of the stairs. It flows directly into this open space, large enough for a pool table or a second living room. You could make this the extension of your master and have your seating area out here. But it's a great area for kids to play while you have the formal living room downstairs. So we're on the second floor. We're checking out the master bedroom right now. You'll notice the French doors as you go in. This is a huge master with plenty of space for seating if you want to add a seating area. Not to mention your own private balcony overlooking the community pond. Suite on the master, 2 separate sinks flanking the garden tub. And if you pan this way, we'll go into the huge master closet. Plenty of room for his and hers, both in one closet. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Again, it's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home with over 4,000 square feet of living space. And this house is actually situated on over a 1/4 acre lot, overlooking the community pond out here, out the master. It's listed at $569. And if you'd like to see this home or other homes just like it, please click below for details and we'll be sure to get back to you soon as possible. Have a great day and talk to you soon.